Welcome to DJMTV News Update for the week. I am Umar Latifa. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJMTV and also click on the notification bell for more superb videos. DJMTV.
The good people of Edo State, my Edo State people, I want to talk to you people. I'm your brother, your son, your friend, the wounded civilian. I want to talk to Governor Baseki followers, his fans, you know. I want to talk to Ize Yam boys, his follower. I want to talk to the godfather, the political godfather, Adams Oshomole's boys. His talk he used ringing election. I want to talk to these guys, you know. We're living in diaspora. It's not easy for us. We struggle, look for money, and let us send it home for our family at home to survive. And still, you guys just come on social media, you are playing a dirty politics, you support evil, you talk anyhow, you don't know it's affecting us here. Because when Edo is good, when things are going on fine in Edo, then it will lessen our struggle here. Then we don't need to no need to be struggling, bothering, sending money home. The little the little money we have, we will use it at least to maintain ourselves, to take care of our family here. Because most of us, our family here too, we have wives and kids to take care of. So whoever, anybody coming out want to be governor, our politicians, a governor, senator, president, if a wrong person, if you give the wrong person power, if you make the wrong person a governor in Edo, it will affect us psychologically, mentally, physically. It will affect us. That is the reason why sometimes when I see you people do things, I just look at you guys and say, are you people sick or what? What the fuck is wrong with you people? What is wrong with some of these Edo boys? You are playing politics, you don't know yourself again. Look, what is happening in Edo is not a joking matter. It's not a joking matter. Who will be governor in Edo? It matters to us. Who will be governor in Edo matters to us. Don't take it for a... You guys are just taking it as if it's a politics. Let me play you a certain video of this boy supporting Ize Yam. I don't even know his name. I don't care. You don't even know the name. You don't even know the name. You want to criticize the governor. You want to talk about a certain road that the governor is not doing anything. Let me play the full video so that you people will see this road is trying to criticize the governor for. I am from Ogbelaka. We don't even have this kind of road in Ogbelaka. I am from Ogbelaka, very close to a prison yard, White House, close to the High Court of Justice in Edo, close to a state police station, close to Central Hospital there. From Ogbelaka, we don't even have this kind of road in Ogbelaka. Where I was born, the road is not tied. We don't even have gutter. They never tie our road. We don't cry. We know everything is turn by turn. We know one day the government will come and tie those roads for us. They tie the roads around us, but they don't tie. Our road is not tied. Ogbelaka lane is not tied. Everyone street is not tied. Everyone lane is not tied. Iboyanya is not tied. They tied Omorui. They tied Opasakmoba. They tied Saple Road. All the roads around this let's say street is not tied. This street is not tied. We are not complaining. And you have a road, you want to criticize government that they are not doing anything. This road, let me play you the full video. You don't even know the road, the name of the road you want to criticize the government for. What's called Look at the good gutter. Look at the gutter. We don't even have gutter in Edo, in Ogbelaka. Every time you people just come and be criticizing the government because of what you are going to get, because Yamu promised you people. The same is Yamu Oshomole court thief is who you are supporting. To me, that don't make sense. Okay, let me play you another video from a man from Uronigbe, a criminal. Let me play you a video from a man from Uronigbe. This Uronigbe.
As a test case, will showcase to the whole world that Obaseki has improved to his bad.
You see, my people, let me tell you people something. The reason why I am playing these two videos, because somebody said it to me. I watched the video and I feel it is time. I feel I have to make a video about it. You see, this man that is talking now in Uronigbe, Oriomo local government. His name is his father is B.I. Ogbewi. His own father is B.I. Ogbewi. When you mention B.I., don't even add Ogbewi to it. Like you mention Buhari, people will run a tasketa. You don't just say B.I. People will know B.I. Ogbewi family. People get scared and run away. This man that is talking now trying to criticize the governor. This Etiosa, that the video I just played to you now that is criticizing the governor. He joined his father to destroy Uronigbe development before his father died. This same man, he joined the father to destroy Uronigbe. They think we don't know. They think we don't know. When you mention B.I., only B.I. is like you mentioned the name Buhari. He served in House of Representative member. What did he do for the Uronigbe people? This same man I just played you his video. What did they do to Uronigbe people? They abandoned these people. He was bragging. His family is the #1 citizen in Oriomo, the #1 citizen in Uronigbe. Today they want to come join Yamu to come and destroy those Edo. All these guys are just talking because of what they will put in their pocket. They don't give a shit about Edo people. They just do whatever they do. Will come. A normal human being will not support Yamu. Somebody use Yamu for what? So to make this, it baffles me. People still listen to people like that. He was in House of Representative. Tell me, what did he do to Uronigbe people? Did he dig just one boy for them? This same man. He joined his own father to destroy these Uronigbe people. He's the one coming here to come and be telling people. I just feel like I don't talk about local politics, but you keep sending me all this video as if, no, you guys are going nowhere. It is Obaseki. It's Obaseki. No, not to change that. Your boy, your video, your do set is no. Show me set it to our time, say do. Or show me yoga fune, or weak men organ, or do dia. Another back my yo jom ado we. Or show me set is emotion set is seven do down or babeno. Might be deceiving the people. Deceiving the people because you are PA. This man, let me play you the video again. It's a PA to Isayam. PA to Isayam. PA to Isayam. Let me play you the video again. These people are nothing but a criminal. The thing is not even playing. PA to Isayam come here to deceive the people of Oriomo again. No! You have Oriomo. You produce the deputy governor Odubu. What did he do for you people? Open your eyes. Open your eyes. It's Obaseki. That's it. Thank you and God bless.
Name 5 European countries.
Togo. America. India.
Oh, Elijah.
China. Cameroon. Cameroon.
DJ MTV.